So good afternoon, everyone. Before we were going to start, have an activity for a while regarding what my topic is: characters and characterizations. So when you say characters in creative nonfiction, it's talk about real people. They are capable of growth and changes in life. So we all know yung sa atong self no na nagit tayo kanang when you say could say it a maturity sa atong self or kanang na changes gikan sa atong mga either sa atong habits, atong what you can say it kanang ato ang mga gawi ba sa ating kinabuhi. So next, trivia. What is the title? Let's have this activity. So what is the title of the first book in the title name Game of Thorns series by George R.R. Martin? So can someone guess what's the answer of this?
I don't know.
No one? So syempre, Game of Thorns. Thrones. Dili niyo makita, sorry ate.
Pwede ka Spanish speaker, hindi ko
Sabi sa'yo, pakaiduwa sa tanong. Game of Thrones.
No, so next, which fruit is known as the king of fruits and is notorious for its strong smell?
Durian.
Yes, durian. Next, what is the name of the galaxy of the Earth is part of?
Samsung Galaxy.
Angelo, what is the name of the galaxy that Earth is part of? Kung nanali sa inyo, Earth and Life before. So no one? So it's the Milky Way
Okay,
galaxy.
Milky Way.
Ano gina siya?
Ano Milky Way man siya?
Milky siya.
Explain sa akin, ano Milky Way?
You don't need to explain it, it's an
That's
activity.
me.
So
Message
so
in
in my
Lego.
Lego. So in my topic for today, we will have a guess me, tell me, and syempre kailangan mo makadaog.
Minutes. Okay.
So next, in the Harry Potter series, what is the name of the Harry Potter? Oh, this one. Kinigit sa siya. Dove.
Eagle.
So, dito mo tigbasahan ha.
Na.
It's Hedwig.
Oo, wala ka ito.
A type of this one is kana familiarize mo sa ato ang topic. So, differentiate na to ang personalities nila. So, a type of character that has a different personality.
Round.
Huh?
Round.
Sir, yes, it's round.
One
This
word.
one. 4 pits in 1 word.
Oh,
It's
flat.
Huh?
Flat.
Flat, very good.
Oh!
Yung Nikiti na mag-participate. Sige, sayo na kayo ni. Sayo na kayo ni. In what movie from DreamWorks did Charming Fortuna or Prince Charming cast out?
Basin Shrek.
Oy!
Aladdin na lang.
Dali.
Ay, Cinderella lang, ha?
Sa'yo mo, Gino.
Snow White. Snow White. Kaya Rose.
Yeah, Oy! La!
No.
Si kita duli. Si kita duli na to. Wala ni mo ito.
Wait, sa'yo, balik sa na to. Wait lang. Just
Wala
wait.
si kita duli duli.
So, kini siya is Cinderella.
Okay.
Cinderella.
Sucks.
Next, he has a superhuman physical abilities which
Yuji Itadori.
he combines with his first energy in Jujutsu.
Kasi.
Sir, nasa is
Kinsa?
Yuji Itadori.
Itadori.
The main expansion.
Yeah, huh? So, my first topic is round and flat. So, we will differentiate them. So, first is, when you say a round character, it took time to elaborate that the readers can have a much closer idea of who the person really are. So, muna mag-ingat. Unsa magina siya sa kanang nga movie? What type magina siya? Kanang siya ba si antagonist, si protagonist?
Wow, I don't know that.
Next is they are guaranteed to act the same or similar in many scenarios based on their defining traits. So, depende sa kung unsa ang ilang gihatag nga character mo yun. For example, si Angelo, gitagaan siya character na may mo siya si Samson. Wala kayo ba?
Samson
Mahimo ba siya? Yeah, Samson na. Kuhan niya.
Idiot yan.
So, next. So, dynamic and static. So, from the word dynamic, what you can
Masili ka na ikuan. Lagay mo dynamite.
dynamite. So, second is dynamic and static. So, when I say dynamic, a central character because they have facing and resolving conflicts. So, muna sila kuan sa mga, dihan na ito makita sa story, sa climax na mga kuan na, siya ay mutabang ni broken girl or ni broken boy na makuan iyang heart. So, next is static. Type of character in literature who remains essentially the same. So, sa tanan gina drive sa story, mo gina siya kung loner siya, loner gid siya. Kung bully siya sa story, bully na gid siya until ma-end ang story.
Okay.
So, next, stereotype. So, what are those 4 types?
Sabi,
Of personality that we can 4.
Siguro.
Huh?
Ang zero.
There are
4 types,
4.
oy.
Give me one. Give me one.
4 types of
Upak ka mo,
personality.
uy.
Personality.
Okay, just give me one lang, one answer.
What kind of personality?
Wala, uy. Naginis ka.
From what I have discussed,
Yan ba?
we have,
Balik
there are
ko.
4. So give me one answer from the 4
Round,
characteristics.
flat, dynamic, static.
Static. So
Uy, grabe,
round,
di minaw.
round, flat, dynamic, and static. So remember that, okay? We will have a quiz later.
No, winners ko man.
So stereotype and archetype. So a preconceived and oversimplified character of a person or a group. So they will not kanang change over the time because they will remain man to what culture, or for example ang ilahang kwan is kanang lovers silang duha. So end of the story sila yung duha magpadayon.
Speak English, ma'am.
Oh, we will use that bit. So next is stereotypes. So there are different types of stereotype. So naidam shy nerd, ditzy from girl, from queen. Dumb. Dumb. So next is archetypes. A hero, a villain, a sidekick. Muna sila.
Sidekick niya dyan ang matulog niya.
Mentor or an innocent one.
Activity
So
time!
let's have an activity before identification. What type of character that has been shown is created? So also please give title or name or the name of the character. Title ha and name.
Hala, si Batman!
The first one.
Kuan.
Bull!
Ano to, oy? Kuan na niya ka nang.
The first one.
Boy.
No.
Katong katong asis.
Para sa bakaran yan.
Who? Uy.
Jack.
Jack?
Hindi na si Jack. Ay, si Kuan na. Katong.
It's kaso naputlan iyang kamot.
Ay.
May lagi ba?
Captain.
Snake.
Oh, this one. What do you call it? Captain Hook. Oh, very good, Captain Hook. This one next. Hunter. Very good.
Batman!
Next is Batman. Kinsa man to ang nagkuan? Who's the person na nag-act as a Batman?
Si Kuan, si. Kuan karakter na kali.
Ooh.
Anime!
Ooh.
Research.
Sige, let's pass it to him. Oo, di ba lang?
Siya ka malupot.
Nakalimutan ko, sorry.
Angle,
So, next is from the topic point of view and angle and story angle. So what is angle for you?
Magbihis ako sa kamera.
Sa camera o pwede na sa angle sa camera. Di ba po when we go out some places, di ba makita different angles na. Ganun ka
Kita
kanina.
mo, kita. All ako 15 hours. Ito gapo. Atong bench.
Next, the specific perspective or approach that the writer takes to present the story or information. Muna siya ang angle. Takes to present that story or information. For example, nilaag si Pikit og mo. So, unsa man ang angle iyang pangitaon dito?
Ang Pikit.
Ang Pikit, di ba ka lagi makita ang asa ang iyang case lagi adtuan or so point of view from which the story is told. So angle from which readers experience the plot, characters, and world. So next, so there are types of point of view. First one is first person.
First point, second
First point.
person,
First
third
person,
person omniscient,
omniscient.
third person limited.
Okay, so let's talk about first person of POV. So can provide a closer or intimate look actions in the story, but ang iyahang what you call this is limited siya. Wala siya kanang I think therefore I am premier siya I. So muna siya see first
Tuloran, paano to?
first person
Ay.
POV. Ay. So next, third person point of view. So kini kay the narrator is not part of the story. So it refers na sa lain na tao, lain na person. So it pronounced like he is the one or she is the one who get that or like that. So muna siya si third person. Next, let's categorize them. So omniscient has complete success to all until readers something even the character do not know yet. So some of their experience are kanang wala nga kanang nabitaw i-feel nga emotions di ba when we talk someone di ba we need to have an eye contact dili ka mo na uy naam dili ang person na imong gikaistorya dito ka sa other side na maglingi.
Yay, mana.
Remember ha, first person told from individual. So mag-hisgot gid siya sa usa man. I, me, and my. Puro gid na siya ang self. So second person is talk about you or yours. The next, so si third person, they are omniscient and limited. So when we say omniscient, ang feelings of many characters in the story. Hadla. So, example, I extend my arm to give the babon. So, kailan mo babon? Wala. So, babon man na siya, oh. Kinasa picture. Babon. One of my pinas.
Ala.
Unggoy.
Kulay. Dito na.
Hindi man na.
one of my peanuts, but I ignored me and stole my whole bag. So, unsa man ni siya? Unsa man ni siya nga POV? Lagi, first. Ha? First POV, very good. If the balloons think you are weak, they could attack you to steal your food. So, muna, ay ko bag, uwi nga. Ay ko bag sinamas uwi. So, multiple points of view or other POV. So, they are strictly to pull out many more confusion. Can be very affect mood or tune. Sige, let's have this game. Oh, let's have the boys na po na mag-answer. Uy, ikaw na sa team mga laki. Oh. Christian and Angelo, guess the word. Guess the picture di ay.
Sir, ikaw na sir, 2:30.
5, 4, rainbow. Next, from the girls.
From the girls?
In which movie does Tom Hanks, kailan mo ni Tom? Play a character stranded on a desert island with a volleyball named Wilson?
Oh, I know.
Muna ka na.
5, 4, 3,
Super Mario!
2, 1. Let's have the boys to answer this. You read, Angelo.
True story na niya.
You read, Angelo.
Ma'am, nakalimut na tayo.
Mother.
True story na niya.
Terus lagi kana ma'am.
Sa title na.
Stranded.
Ha?
Stranded.
Stranded? Cast away.
Castaway! Castaway!
Sige, let's have the girls na mag-score. So, guess me. I'm a place that you really want to
Bidak!
go.
Bidak! Bidak!
Wala na ko motor man gyud.
There's a bee and a duck that...
Bichil!
Ha?
The company.
Oh,
Bicol!
place na siya sa Philippines.
Bicol!
Ha?
Bicol!
Bicol! Bee and cool.
Cool na cool! Cool kid!
Next, country of fun. Write down as many country as you can before the timer goes off. Ano lang ni Kate? Taas kayo na. So, that's all for this afternoon. And thank you!
Very expansion! Roach!
Thank you!
Okay, bye guys.
I-post ka na na yun, Edita!